Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Got Oil Supplies, coming to you this beautiful spring day to show you our April subscription boxes. And so for April, we're hoping that these subscription boxes are a huge success, and everyone loved our My Monster subscription boxes from March. And so we hope that everyone is pleased with these April boxes because we put a lot of time and effort into developing these, and I think you're really going to love it. And so for April, what we have done is we've come up with a Chakra DIY kit, and it is absolutely great. And so it has all 7 chakras plus a balancing spray on there. So we're going to go through the recipe sheet here in just a little bit. We've designed these gorgeous chakra labels with the corresponding lid stickers. And so this month you'll get 8 of our regular labels plus 16 of our lid stickers. So beautiful, beautiful labels, and we're going to get into this. And so, and the nice thing about the chakras is what we've done is we've kind of outlined what each chakra is, the location and function of each chakra, what essential oils are best used with each chakra, which gemstone we recommend and what comes in the kit. And we also included affirmations here on the side of the recipe kit for each of the gemstones. So without further ado, I'm going to start going down these chakra recipes. And so the first chakra that we're going to talk about is the crown. And for the crown, we use the amethyst. And so you get this beautiful label. Of course, every single one of these that I'm going to explain comes with the gemstone roller. And it also comes with the small gemstones, you can kind of see in there, that go inside the bottles, which will kind of infuse with the oils. And so the first gemstone that you're going to get this month is amethyst, which goes with our crown chakra. Next is the third eye chakra, and with this one you're going to receive a sodalite gemstone roller, and also you're going to get the little small sodalite gemstones to go on the inside. And I just love these. I love these lid stickers that we designed because a lot of people aren't sure aren't sure what the symbols are, and so we did both. We put down the name and the symbol so you can choose which of these lid stickers that you want to use. And so for the throat chakra, we have this beautiful label, and this one corresponds with our lapis lazuli gemstone roller. And of course it comes with the small gemstones that you can put on the inside. So that one is for our throat. The next chakra that we talk about, that we come to, is our heart chakra, which we use green aventurine. See that beautiful label on the bottle? I mean, these are just absolutely gorgeous, with the green on the top and then the small green gemstones on the inside. For our solar plexus chakra, which is represented by yellow, we use the yellow tiger's eye. So we have the beautiful yellow tiger's eye gemstone on the inside, plus all the small gemstones to go on the inside. Our next chakra is the Sacral Chakra, which is orange. There's the beautiful label for that one, which is represented by our carnelian gemstone roller. And of course we have the beautiful small gemstones on the inside. And last but not least for the gemstones is our root chakra, which we use a red jasper because it is represented by red. So you'll get your red jasper gemstone roller plus the small gemstones to go on the inside. Now what we've also done is, in addition with these 7 chakras, we've come up with this chakra balance spray. This one helps to balance your overall chakras. And so what we have done is we've made the spray for a 2-ounce spray bottle, which you'll get in the kit, and then we've given you the clear quartz, which will help harmonize all of your chakras, and so you can put those inside of your balanced spray that you'll get. So for the oiler box, which is only $19.95 a month, you are going to get a dozen of our clear 10 ml roller bottles. You are going to get all 8 of the gemstones, which all 8 of the chakras I talked about, including the clear quartz. You're going to get all 8 of the gemstone rollers. You're going to get all 8 of the small gemstones, which will go inside your roller bottles. You will get a complete sheet of labels, which comes with all 8 big labels, plus the 16 lid stickers. You will get one of the recipe sheets, which gives you a lot of great information about the chakras. Like I said, all the information here, plus continued information on the back. Beautifully designed chakra recipe sheet. Of course, you'll get the 2-ounce fine mist spray bottle with the clear quartz, and along with all of our other subscription boxes, you'll get the tool, the funnel to help you fill up your bottles, and the pipette. And of course, last but not least, you will always get a surprise every month in your subscription box. And so you're going to want to see the surprise that we're going to throw in this month, because I think it is absolutely awesome. And so everything I just showed you right here is included in our monthly oiler box, which is only $19.95. Again, all of this stuff is available on GodOilSupplies.com. So if you were like, hey, Ryan, what was available in that monthly oiler box? Just go to our website, GodOilSupplies.com. Go to the subscriptions category, click on the monthly oiler box product, and you can go in there, and it just details everything out, how the subscription works, what you're going to get this month. So April is our chakra month, and it is absolutely awesome. I hope everyone, each and every one of you, is really going to enjoy this Chakra DIY kit that we put together. And so we also had a lot of people that loved our builder subscription boxes. Now, if you are trying to grow your essential oil business and you love to share your essential oils, the builder subscription box is for you. And so what you're going to get this month in April, in the builder subscription box, is you are going to get 24 of these 1 ml clear roller bottles. So all of our clear roller bottles come with stainless steel roller inserts. I'm going to open one of these up for you. So you're going to get 2 dozen of these, and they come with the stainless steel rollers. These are great for making samples and sharing your essential oils with your friends, family, neighbors. Great way to really grow your essential oil business. So you're going to get 2 dozen of our 1 ml sample roller vials. You're going to get 18 of our 10 ml clear roller bottles. And I'm going to explain to you why you're going to get 18, because not only do you get the original 8 gemstones, but we're going to give you 2 of each. So you're going to get 16 gemstone rollers in your monthly builder box. And then you'll still get the same 8 small gemstones. But since you are going to be sharing these with friends and family, we are going to give you 10 sheets of labels. So you're going to get 10 of these sheets with the 8 big labels and the 16 lid stickers. 10 of these, plus you will also get 10 of our recipe sheets. So you'll get a pad of recipe sheets. There's 10 on here. This is great information that you can share with your friends, families, and neighbors to help share the love of essential oils. So you get 10 labels, 10 recipe sheets. You will get 2 of the 2-ounce spray bottles, with the fine mist sprayers. So you get 2 of those. Plus you will get 2 tools. This one is our large one. This one will work for all of the 10 ml bottles. And then you'll also get a smaller tool, which is this one, which works with these little 1 ml roller bottles with the little smaller insert. So you'll get 2 tools to help you with your oil sharing. Plus you'll always get a funnel and a pipette. And last but not least, and I think this is one of the most important things, you will get a surprise. So again, I love the surprise that we're giving out in our subscription boxes this month. Again, it's a surprise, so I can't tell you what it is, but I know you're absolutely going to love it. In our builder box, this is over a $60 value. In fact, this is closer to a $70 value. And again, our builder box is only $39.95 a month. So if you are growing your essential oil business, sign up for our monthly builder box. We will give you the tools that you need to share your essential oils with your friends and family and neighbors, all the people around you. So that's it. That is what you're going to get this month in our God Oil Supply subscription boxes. Chakras. So beautiful labels, lots of fun recipes, lots of good information. So don't forget to go to GodOilSupplies.com. Go to the subscription category. You can see all of our options, and all of these things that I detailed here are also on our website. So go to the website and pick up your subscription boxes. And have a great day.